welcome back to my channel. In today's video, so before getting into this video, a water reminder. So drink a nice glass of water for yourself and then let's get started. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I stack my jewelry, be it my necklaces, my earrings, everything, my watch, my bracelets, every single thing. So a little context before getting into this video, none of these are actually artificial jewelry because for me personally, I cannot wear artificial jewelry for a longer time. If I have these earrings, like for example, I do have a bunch of earrings right here. So I'm gonna pull up a bunch of earrings. So these are the normal jo roadside pe milte hai, those earrings. I do wear them on a daily basis, but what happens is if I wear them for a longer period of times, like if I wear them for about an entire day, my ear kind of starts to get very itchy and it kind of bleeds. I know it's graphic, but yeah, that is what happens. So I do not like wearing jewelry that is not gold or silver or platinum. These are the only material that I use. In no way, shape or form this is a show off, you guys. This is what I have. So basically that is what it is. 90% of the time I only wear jewelry for some occasions or if I'm going out for some fancy dinner or something like that. 90% of the time you can always see me without any jewelry. I am always like that. I don't like having to hoard a lot of jewelry, but I love gold and diamonds. I love investing my money in buying gold jewelry or diamond jewelry, comparatively diamond nowadays. But yeah, so 90% of the times I don't wear a lot of jewelry, not a lot of stacking goes on, but for the videos or when I'm going out for some occasions, I do wear them. So let's get started. The first thing that I want to show you guys is actually my hand, like you know, my hand stacking thing. So I always wear a watch no matter what. It's been a habit for me for years and years and years. So no matter where I am, what I'm doing, a watch is what I'll always be having on my hand. At least 90% of the time I do not forget my watch. Wherever I'm going, I go grab my watch, nothing else. So the one that I'm wearing today is by Tissot. Now this is one of my mom's. This is actually my mom's that I took it from her. So this has been like that hand me down. This is how it looks like. This is the Tissot with sapphire crystals in the sides. I really like this watch so much. It's very sleek, it's very beautiful and pretty, and it's silver, like it's a stainless steel, and I really like it. I do have other watches as well, so let me know. I want to do, if you guys want me to share with you guys all of my watch collection, let me know in the comment section. I will do that for you guys. But this is what I wear on a daily basis. I do not like moving away from this because this is like my mom's, so I kind of wear this every day. I don't want to remove this. I don't usually remove it. So and also I am a left-hander, so I always wear my watch on my right hand. So that is how it works for me. Please don't judge me on that because I can't, like, I do all of my work, 100% of my body work, whatever I'm doing, be it if I'm serving food or anything for that matter, even when I'm applying my makeup, I always use my left hand because that is how my brain's been tuned into. So I'm a left-hander, so I don't wear my watch on my left hand, I wear my watch on my right hand. So it's been like that for years now and I really like it, and it's easier for me that way. So that is what it is. Another one that I have on my hand is this dainty bracelet. Can you guys see this? This is a very dainty bracelet. Now this is not silver or anything. This is like the normal artificial jewelry. So I don't like to use this on a daily basis. I just use this for my videos or if I'm going out for like an hour or two. And even that, once I'm done with the video, I immediately remove it. Even in my car also, if I'm going out somewhere, I wear it right before going into the occasion, not always, okay? So that is how I kind of eradicate, like, you know, getting those itching and burnings and all of that. I just wear a watch and I wear a bracelet. This is what it is. I am trying to get another one, like a charm or something like that. I'm not sure when that will happen, but for now, this is what I wear. Now coming to my, I'm going to talk about my rings a little later, but let's talk about my necklace. Now this, I've been wearing it for about 5 months or 6 months now. not 6 months, it's been more than 6 months actually, it's been more than a year now. And this is a beautiful silver necklace that it says love. It's one of my most favorite jewelry. I don't know why. It's very dainty, it's very soft. It does not feel like I have something on my body. So I really like wearing this. So this is what I wear on a daily basis. Until now though, this is only what I'm wearing. And now coming to my earrings. If you guys have seen my February favorites, you guys know what these are. If you did not watch them, go check that out. I will leave it in the cards and you will know why this is my favorite. Now earrings, I'm not a person who always sticks to one particular earring, but these are my absolute favorite because I've invested in these diamonds in February and I bought them, and from then on I've never removed them. I really like them. They're very dainty, they're very beautiful, and they're like, I love diamonds. Like, diamonds are girls' best friends for a reason, you guys. I usually wear only diamond jewelry. I do not wear any gold. Also, there is only one gold big earrings that I have. Those are from my marriage. I will pop up a picture somewhere here with that. But yeah, those are the only earrings. I love diamond jewelry, and especially diamond earrings are the only ones that I wear. And yeah, that is all that I have on my neck, my ears and my hand. Now let's come to my fingers. I love having rings, but at the same time I'm so clumsy and I'm so forgetful. I've lost these earrings about 1,000,000 times now. I'm very skeptical about wearing rings and all. That is the reason I don't wear any jewelry, because I tend to forget sometimes. I don't wear my engagement rings and all, like for the videos and all. I tend to wear it when I'm going out and all of that, but nothing else. So these are the basic rings that I wear. These are like the staple rings. This one you guys already know. This is the one that my mom gifted on February 14th, so it's always there on my hand. This is another silver one that I got for myself, and this is another gold one that I've invested. This is not a thumb ring, but I really like this ring. This is like a teardrop kind of a ring, so I really like this one. Now coming to this side, I have a lot of silver rings. Now the first one that I have is this beautiful heart. Can you guys see this? This is such a beautiful heart with wings, and it looks so pretty. It has detailing with red and the wings and all of that. And then this one, I really like this one because it has tiniest of the hearts, and it's so beautiful. It's very simple, and I don't have any ring that has a circle and it's like empty inside. Really like this. So these are the only rings that I wear on a daily basis. I have a box full of rings with gold, diamond, platinums and all of that, but these are the only rings I like wearing. I don't wear others because I tend to like store them for some functions or something like that. But yeah, that is how I stack my jewelry. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, you guys. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.